my name is Andi Bühler. This is the DrumCode Accents Episode 2, Tom Accents. First of all, if you haven't checked Accents 1, which is one of the free workshops, so it's free, just check it out. If you haven't checked it, just do it before you do this one. This is Accents 2. Alright. First of all, we're going to establish a constant pattern that we are going to play all the time. Right, left, right, left, right, left. That never changes. On the snare drum. That's our chocolada, chocolada. When you have 4 spots, we have each spot is one hit. Chocolada, chocolada. That were 2 groups. Alright. We're gonna add a foot pattern, just a walking foot pattern. So right, left. With the snare drum pattern, that's our constant thing we're always gonna play. The feet are always together with the right hand. As this is our ground pattern, our constant pattern, and the accents are on top of this, you don't need to play the snare drum super loud. Don't need to play. I mean, if you really like, but I think it's better to have it on a low level, so we can add the accents on the toms. What we're going to do now. So, if you have our 4 spots. The white spots mean you stay on the snare. It's always chocolada, right, left, right, left. Chocolada. So, when you have a black spot, you use the tom for an accent. And with that hand, you use the tom next to your hand. So, right hand means right tom, floor tom. Left hand means the left tom, the high tom, yeah? So if you have 4 black spots, 4 times toms. 4 white, 4 black. Alright, our constant pattern. So, going to show you the first 8 lines of the 16 combination, each line 2 times. Alright. 1, 2, 1, 2. tempo is up to you. You can go up really fast or really slow. Just make sure you really know what you do. Move to the mix it up section. There you have a lot of combinations, as you know. You get better in it. Don't waste your time practicing one line forever. Just go on and you'll see it's getting better. All right, I'm gonna show you the last part of the mix it up section. 4 groups of 4. The first 4 lines without any repeat, just to hear the combinations. Bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Okay, so that's for all the groups of 4. Now we go to the groups of 3, second part of the reading book. So we still play right, left, right, left, right, left. But we have only 3 spots to play. So we don't play the Chocolata, we play the Panama, which means the first group starts with right, right, left, right. And the second group starts with left, left, right, left. Panama, 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 Panama. That's important because when you're going on the toms, you need to know which hand to play, which hand to take. Okay, our constant pattern changes a little bit. We're still playing the walking. 1, that's 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we have to count like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Because we have the Panama like this. Panama, 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 Panama. Bit slower. Panama, 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 Panama. So you see the first group starts with the right foot and the second group starts with the left foot. As you do it with the hands, right, left, Panama, 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 right. Okay. As soon this feels good, add the accents now on the tom-toms. Same concept. I'm going to show you the first, maybe the whole 8 combinations. All right. 1, 2, 1, 2, Panama, Panama, 1, 2. to the mix it up section. You'll see that it's really fun. All right, I'm gonna, like always, make a little improvisation at the end with the groups of 4 and with the groups of 3. All right, I'm gonna do both just to show you how it feels. You'll see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, have fun with it and see you soon. Bye.